Hi, this is Jesse Walter with Model Technology Solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can better protect your endpoints by limiting their attack surface using Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Let's dig in. So there are several ways to reduce your endpoint attack surface. For example, you can use application control to limit the types of apps that can run on machines in your environment. You can control folders in which applications or users have access to, or even the types of devices that are allowed to be written to. Here I'm going to briefly explain how to create an attack surface reduction rule using Microsoft Endpoint Manager to limit the attack surface on an endpoint in your environment. First, I'm going to access the MEM portal by going to endpoint.microsoft.com. When I'm here, I'm going to go to Devices, and then down to Configuration Profiles. And here I see a list of profiles already created. You can either modify one of these or choose to create profile. Then I can drop down Profile Type, and I can either choose from one of the templates provided to us here, or I can choose Settings Catalog, which will essentially create a blank slate for us. I'm going to hit Create. Now we can give it a name. I'm going to call it ASR Test 1. I'll go down and hit Next. I'm going to select Add Settings. And here you will see that we have a lot of settings to choose from. And a lot of this is similar to the old group policy days. For this example, I'm going to select Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to select Allow Download Restrictions and Allow Importing of Cookies. I'm also going to go up and drop down the Microsoft Edge default settings user can override and go to Smart Screen Settings. And here I'm going to add Configure Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Now I'll close this. I'm going to select to enable Allow Download Restrictions, and I'm going to block dangerous downloads. And as for Allow Importing of Cookies, I'm going to leave that disabled. And then we're going to choose to enable Configure Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Then click Next. As for assignments, I'm going to choose to add a group. This group, as you can guess, includes my Surface Book. And that is all. Once I'm satisfied with the assignments, I click Next and Create. And now I see my ASR Test 1 configuration profile has been created. And I can click on that profile. And once the members of the group have received the configuration profile and start reporting information back, we'll see whether or not there are successes, errors, or conflicts. For example, if we go back and select a profile that we created about a month ago, we'll see that we have an overview report with information regarding whether or not this profile has been applied and the overall success or failure. To find out more about how Model Technology Solutions can help reduce your attack surface on your endpoints, please contact us at www.model-technology.com.